Hi everyone, it's Leo421 here to help you solve installing Windows Vista in VirtualBox. The first thing we need to do is select the English language, which is what happens to be for mine at least. We need to select English here and select the US keyboard type. We click Next. And then we click Install Now, and it will install the system. So we click Install Now, and then it will install, and then it will get ready for the pre-installation process. It's pretty much a time and matter for your computer for this part. The next thing we need to do is accept the license terms. Click Next. Yes, this is exactly the screen we need because we are doing a clean copy of Windows. So we'll select that, and then we can select our unallocated space, which is 25 gigabytes, so we'll click Next. And now we need to, and now Windows Vista will be copying all the files and expanding the files, so we need to wait while it does. But right now, I'll pause the recording here and meet you back here when this is all done. Meet you back here when this is all solved. Okay, so now we are at 97, 98, 99, and 100. So now it is finished expanding the files and installing the features and installing the updates. So now it will restart the installation process. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now it is restarting its process. So we need to wait while it does. And there we go. And now it is loading, so I will meet you back here when it's all set up, and I will help you do the installation process. Okay, so now it is completing the installation process right now, so we need to wait while it does. So I'll keep the recording going so it can do so. And yeah, so it's really much basically a matter of time and the way your computer is for this part. So yeah. Okay, so now it is done, and I think it's probably going to restart again. We'll see. Couple of seconds. Okay. And it's restarting again. Okay, so now we are going to set up a username and a picture for your account. So your username and picture represent your user account, and the account that you create here is a computer administrator account, and you can create more accounts later in the control panel. So I will type Leo, I will type in Leo421 as my YouTube channel name, and then I'll type a password, so I will do that real quick and meet you back here. Okay, so I've clicked Next, I typed my password and a hint. So now we can type in a computer name, for example, Office PC, and I just did Leo421-PC, and we can choose a desktop background for our PC. I'm just going to do the default, which is this. So I will click Next. Now, this is where it will help protect Windows automatically. We can use recommended settings, install important updates only, or ask us later. I will use recommended settings. Okay, so now we are going to select the time, date, and time. So we'll do, this is my time, Pacific, and we will adjust for daylight saving time and select the date, which is Martin Luther King Day, very late. Okay, now this is where I will be my computer's current location, which in that case is home, so I will select this. And now we get the thank you notification. And Windows is going to check our computer performance. And getting it done just got more fun. Time is precious, more than ever. Oh, I couldn't read it all. So now it will check our computer performance. I didn't get to see what it said. But yeah, it will check everything out. And we can play a bunch of games. The power to find everything. Can quickly find programs, files, and emails, and it's way easier to search the internet. And it's a more secure environment. And it's almost done, so yeah. I'll just have to wait till it's done. Getting it done just got more fun. Time is precious, more. I can't read it. Connect and communicate like never before. Oh. And there we go. So now it just selected our username. And now we have our username, which is my cat. So I will enter my password that I set during the installation process. By then you should be greeted in with your new Windows Vista desktop. So let's wait for that to open up, and we should be greeted in by the home screen. So we will prepare the desktop. And there we go. So it is now set up. And here are my settings. So as always, thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.